Hi, so in this chapter we will learn about Python string concatenation. Okay, string concatenation. So the question arises, what is the exact meaning of concatenation? If you will dictionary it, then you will get a join type of thing, join, grouped, merge. Okay, so to concatenate or to merge or to combine the two strings, we are talking here about strings only. Okay, we are not talking about the numeric values or other data types. Strings is our series right now, so we will talk about string only. So to concatenate or to combine certain string or two string, you can use the plus operator. Okay, here you can use the plus operator. It is very easy. Okay, let's suppose I want to let's take first a, and here let me write hello, and again I am taking b. Here I am writing Sharad. Okay, I want to merge it, I want to combine it, I want to concatenate it. So what can I do? I can use a plus b, and I can assign it to C so that I could call it, I could print it. Okay, now if I'll print C, because C I have denoted to a plus b, here I am taking this operator. What will happen? Hello Sharad, it will return. But the problem is, it is not in a proper format. Okay, hello is okay, a is okay, Sharad is okay, b is okay, but if I'll write it in an output, then here no space is there. I want the space also. So how you can do this? You can add a space between them. Okay, even you can do here space, then also it will get good. Okay, you can use the space here also, the same thing will happen. Okay, but space intentionally, if you give space, then if you will do some large project, then this space will get you an error. So don't do this. Okay, just use a proper format. How to do this? Let me tell you the proper format. To add the space, no, not space, proper space between the variables or things you want to do. You want to concatenate. Okay, so what should you do? Just take a, the same thing, hello, and then b should be Sharad, right? Now I want to do a space, so C is equal to A. Okay, now plus, and then give inverted comma and give a space. Okay, whatever space you want to give, you can give it here. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, you can give. 1 space is sufficient. Okay, just leave it, then add concatenate, and then here give b. Okay, and now you have already assigned it to C, then just print C. Now you can get the proper output, and now you can use it to any function. Okay, just make a function of it. I'll show you in the upcoming videos how to make a function through it and then use it. Okay, so these are the 2 or 3 types from which you can use the concatenation in the strings. Okay, hope you understood. So that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.